Hello, I am Manu Aviles-Santiago, Interim Dean at the College of Integrated Sciences and Arts at Arizona State University. On behalf of the faculty and staff at CISA, welcome. We are excited that you're here. If you didn't already know, you're now part of ASU's fastest growing college with students at the Polytechnic, Tempe, and downtown campuses, as well as an online community of more than 7,000 students. CISA is distinct with its applied learning and hands-on experiences that are intent on making you career ready. As you pursue your dreams, we will be there to help make your passion into your future profession. Everyone's college journey is different, and there are a wealth of resources available to you along the way. Faculty and staff are here to direct you to the right place when you need assistance. I cannot stress enough, you're not alone at CISA. We want you to achieve your goals, and there are so many opportunities on the horizon. Welcome to CISA, Sun Devil. We cannot wait to see what you do.